Here is the lead marketing website that I created on Wix. So with the help of Maria, we were able to design it together. So up to the left hand corner is the lead marketing logo. So we went with the arrow going upwards, so directing you in the right direction. So then we just have a little description here. So lead marketing, we are fourth year digital marketing students from TU Blanchardstown campus. This is a mock-up marketing consultancy agency for our private clients. As marketers, we solve digital challenges and craft memorable customer experience for our clients. So then we just have a little button, so a call to button, just a book a consultation. Next down here is the motto, the mantra that we went with. So your vision, our mission. Our team will bring your vision to life. We accelerate the growth of your business by making bespoke marketing strategies. And then over to the right, our team, we live and breathe marketing. We have it covered end to end, upside down and inside out. So then just a little description as to why you should work with us. So our diverse and dynamic team comes from different backgrounds, but we all share the same passion for marketing. Our goal is to work closely with each client to create unique creative strategies that produce effective results. As fourth year students, we are ready to put into practice all the knowledge we've learned on our college journey. We're ready to hit the ground running and work with businesses that want to grow, change and aspire. So next was the clients, so our clients that we worked with. So Ms. Rio, Designer Room, Stellar and Picker Pals. So then the testimonials, so just if you wanted to add something in there, and then our contact form and where we are located and Facebook and Instagram. And then just down to the bottom, we just have a footer and where we're based and then what you can add into it, such as the home, about and contact. So then going to the about. So this is just a small description of what we are. So at lead marketing, we take care of your creative and strategic needs so you can focus on running your business at its full potential. We're driven by digital marketing as much as design and content to ensure we fulfill our key mission of helping our clients achieve their successful future. So this is what we have done to implement and help each one of our clients. Our digital marketing course is based on the latest and upcoming industry trends and innovations. Our university collaborates closely with top national and international companies to give us access to innovative technology and work experience. So just to get in touch, get in touch so that we can start elevating you to where you deserve to be. So then our team. So then there was Eva, the Instagram director. So social media is a big part of Eva's life and she will give the latest trends, activities and updates for lead marketing. Claire was the content creator. Addis was the Facebook marketing manager. Adita was the Facebook editor. I myself, Lisa, was the website designer. Maria was the copywriter. Neve was the photographer and Gabrielle was the social media manager. So this is how we broke up our sections and we all worked closely together in order to create the best marketing agency as possible. Then we just have our contact form and how you can contact us. So this was just a simplistic website that we created ourselves using Wix and just using a colour scheme of neutral colours, so bluey kind of colours, and using a colour scheme that would match for all of us. So we all decided and worked hard on this together.